Okay.
All right, I am Glassy Honk, and I'm very happy to be back here at Cabernet Frank's. This is a home away from home. This song is called Your Grandpa Was a Festival. Wiggy straps on the wig and on the bench she rides. Glassy honks and flail divides. So get up off your feet if you want to ride the bench man. If you're green as a lizard or your grandpa was a Frenchman. And keep your bread on the cheese, don't be quiet as a mouse. Like a weeping willow says, you gotta go and rock the house. Yes, there's in another day, so there's plenty of room for all. But not everyone is allowed at your grandpa was a festival. Sometimes the words I sing seem to make no sense. But let me make things clear in my own self-defense. I'm just telling a story of things in my real life. Glassy makes adventures with me and my wife. So sweet with a voice like gravel. Well, don't hit the mango if you're planning to travel. So get up off your feet, cause it's time to ride the Frenchman. If you're green as a lizard or your grandpa was a Frenchman. Everyone is allowed at your grandpa was a festival. Sometimes the words I sing may seem to make no sense. Let me make things clear in my own self-defense. I'm just telling a story of things in my real life. Glassy makes adventures with me and my wife. Well, the garbage clan hangs with the cleanup crew. He tells dirty jokes no matter what you do. He got up on the stage to try to sing a song, and his stenches fell out as if they didn't belong. He needs to get a hug like a bag and need some cash, but nobody wants to stand that close to trash. Glassy was the one who finally made him fall, cause not everyone is allowed at your grandpa was a festival. Thank you very much. Well, I'm glad